told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Game pre.
Game?
Oh.
Game? Game? Yeah, right shape lang. Mali!
Oh, yun yung daan mo.
Uy! Uy! Di mo nakita. Ayos ka lang? Ang pilit. Ayos ka lang?
Okay lang. Sakit.
Ha?
Bigla ka nagpreno.
Hindi na. Mali doon tayo dadaan dapat eh. Sumobra yung liko ko. Umakit ka dyan sa ugat?
Hindi.
Dito sa gilid?
Kala ko dediretso ka pa eh. Wala, stick.
Okay ka lang?
Okay lang. Buti may helmet.
Ha?
Lakas ang tama ng helmet ah.
Saan ka tumama sa helmet? Dito sa bike?
Sa bato.
Ano talaga? sorry.
Sablay.
Ang lakas ang close kasi. Buta hindi ko maliko. Sumisigaw na ako. Mali.
Hindi, medyo may distance pa rin ako noon.
Kala ko nakita mo na ako na huminto ako.
Nakita kita, dinaanan mo tong
Wait
puno.
lang, baka may bumaba. May bumaba. Okay, kamali kami. Banggaan. Tara.
Kita yun dito.
Ha?
A few moments later.
Uy! Nangyari? Tabingi ba? Tumabingi no?
Napuno lang.
Sagasaan mo nga to? Tabingi yung ano ko eh.
Alin?
RD.
Oo pre, ang lakas ang tama ako sa'yo.
A few moments later.
Trap! Ay, na. Kumabit. Wala na, sira na ang ride. Diretso lang pre. Sumabit na yung ano, RD ko sa gulong, butas. Oo. Wala, that's all folks. Yuhu. Puto lang RD. Ay, gastos. Pag drop ko dyan, sumayad eh. Sumayad sa kaset. Ito oh. Ay! Tapos binutas yung gulong ko. Tumama sa gulong ko.
Bumay ko naman oh. Insert, pwede pa yan.
Ay, naku, ang aga-aga naman, patigil ang ride.
Pwede pa yan.
If you're new to the channel, please like, share, tell your friends, tell your hot friends. Just kidding, and of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride. Ride on!